congruence of segments. So let's see first what do you mean by congruence. So if given line segments are equal in length, they are congruent. Now I have drawn here two segments, sec PQ and sec AB. So let's see the measurement of these two segments using a scale. I will place point P over here. So PQ is how much? 6 centimeters. So we'll write the measurement over here, 6 centimeter. Similarly, we will measure your seg AB. AB is also 6 centimeter. So the measurement of these two segment is 6 centimeter. Here I'll write length PQ is 6 centimeter and length AB is 6 centimeter. Means segment PQ is congruent with segment AB. Since both are of same measurement, we can say that they are congruent. Congruent means same, and this is a symbolical representation of congruence. So sec PQ, we will read this as sec PQ. This sign is of congruent, is congruent to sec AB. So we have seen this congruence means of equal measurement. Now let us solve practice set 6. We'll solve the practice set in your textbook itself. So write the names of pairs of congruent line segments and use divider to find them. Now here they have given a diagram over here, figure over here, and using your compass you have to say which two segments are congruent to each other. So first we'll place this divider on GR. Okay, this is GR. Now we have to see another segment of the same measurement. So we'll place it over here on GB. So it doesn't coincide. So this is not of the same measurement as GR. Then we'll go for GN. So GN exactly coincides on N. So we can say that GR and GN are congruent to each other. So we got our first pair as segment GR congruent to segment GN. This way you have to write. This is our first pair. Similarly, you have to find out the other three pairs from this diagram. Now, let us see question number 2. On the line below, the distance between any two adjoining points shown on it is equal. Hence, fill in the blanks. So here they have placed some points over here at the same distance from each other. So each point is at the same distance from its other point. So we have to fill in the blanks over here. Sec AB is congruent to sec dash. So let's see where is our sec AB. This is sec AB. So you have to write the other segment which is congruent to sec AB. So all these points are at similar distance from each other. So if AB is one segment, the another segment you can say as BC because it is also at the same distance. You can also take AW, you can also take XY, you can take YZ, any segment you can take from this line. So sec AB, I will take sec AW. Okay, now your next example is sec AP is congruent to sec dash. Now see where is your A and P. So this is your sec, this is our sec AP. Now in between how many points they have left? 1 2 3 4. So any 2 points in between, 4 points are there, we can take any 2 points. See, if you start from C, so 1 2 3 4, so you can take this distance. This will be exactly the same as this distance. So we can say that sec AP is congruent to sec YC. So I will write here as YC. Similarly, you have to find the segments congruent to the other given 6 examples. So remaining 4 examples you find on your own.